born in Montreal, Canada. I grew up in Canada, but I grew up in the English part of Canada in Ontario, in Ottawa. And I went to Haiti for the first time when I was 12 years old. And that's after that trip that my father bought me a guitar and I started playing music. I learned classical guitar. I loved Matteo Carcassi as a classical guitarist. And then I wasn't very good at classical guitar, so I just moved to writing my own songs. The album I have in 2018 is Radio Siwed, and those are folk songs from Haiti that were used to sing during the military occupation of Haiti in 1915 to 1936, and also during the Haitian Revolution for independence in the 1800s. The album Mama Forgot Her Name Was Miracle, which is actually my mother's name, is songs that I call lullabies for adults. And it's mostly about different heroines I've had throughout my life so far. And I added my mother in there, as well as my grandmother, because I consider the women in my family to be heroes as well.
Girl, you got red, tree trunks for backbones. Girl, you got red, dress stories for rose thorns. Girl, you got
Needle in the Hay is actually an Elliott Smith song. It's a cover. And I found this song when I was watching a Wes Anderson movie that I really like called The Royal Tenenbaums. And I didn't know Elliott Smith before then. And I discovered his music and I completely fell in love with it. And that's a song that really stuck to me because it's about suicide and it's about being misunderstood and feeling horrible loneliness.
You hand on his arm, haystack charm around your neck, strong and thin, calling some friend, trying to cash some check. He said you're acting dumb, well that's what you've come to expect.
All the magical realism that is in South American, Latin American literature is very inspiring to me. I spent a lot of my childhood reading Jorge Amado books, Doña Flor y sus dos maridos, and Gabriela Clove and Cinnamon were two of my favorite books when I was a teenager. And then I listened to Os Mutantes when I was a teenager a lot. I had a gloomy phase of psychedelic Brazilian music, so Maria Bethânia. All that was really, really inspiring.
Angelina,